If you've ever scrolled through bodybuilding diets or watched what professional athletes eat, you might notice something surprising. Shrimp shows up on their plates quite often. At first glance, it might seem unusual. After all, when you think of bodybuilders, you probably picture endless chicken breasts, steak, or maybe protein shakes. But shrimp has quietly become one of those go-to foods for people trying to build muscle, lose fat, and keep their bodies in peak shape. So why would someone lifting heavy weights choose these tiny little shellfish as part of their diet? The answer comes down to the incredible nutrition shrimp offers. Bodybuilders are always looking for protein-rich foods that are lean, meaning they provide maximum protein without a lot of extra fat or calories. Shrimp fits that description perfectly. In just 3 ounces of shrimp, you can get about 20 grams of protein while taking in fewer than 100 calories. That means you're fueling your muscles with the building blocks they need without adding unnecessary bulk from fats. For someone trying to maintain a lean, defined body, that's gold. But it's not just the protein that makes shrimp so appealing. Shrimp is also packed with important nutrients like vitamin B12, iodine, and selenium, all of which play a role in energy, metabolism, and keeping the body functioning at its best. Plus, shrimp contains omega-3 fatty acids, which support heart health, reduce inflammation, and even aid recovery after intense workouts. For a bodybuilder who trains hard day after day, that's a huge advantage. Another reason shrimp is loved in bodybuilding diets is its versatility. You can grill it, steam it, toss it into salads, or mix it with rice and veggies for a quick high-protein meal. It's fast to cook, easy to prepare in bulk, and doesn't leave you feeling heavy or sluggish like some other meats might. When you're eating several meals a day, having something light yet filling makes sticking to a strict diet much easier. Of course, like with any food, preparation matters. Shrimp that's fried or covered in creamy sauces isn't going to give the same benefits. But when it's grilled, boiled, or cooked with simple seasonings, it becomes a clean and powerful protein source. That's exactly what bodybuilders look for. So yes, bodybuilders absolutely eat shrimp, and for good reason. It's lean, packed with protein, loaded with nutrients, and easy to fit into a muscle-building diet. For anyone chasing fitness goals, whether you're hitting the gym casually or training seriously, shrimp can be a smart addition to fuel your journey.